AI ethics is a rapidly evolving field that seeks to address the complex and multifaceted moral challenges associated with the development and deployment of artificial intelligence. AI Genie is here again. Today, before diving to our topic, please subscribe and stay in the loop with our latest updates and never miss a moment. Hit the notification bell now to be the first to know about exciting topic like this. Now, let's dive to the head first into the thrilling world of AI technology, where innovation knows no bounds. As AI technologies continue to advance, the need for a robust ethical framework becomes increasingly evident, as these systems influence various aspects of our daily lives, from healthcare and finance to criminal justice and social media. Navigating the moral maze of AI ethics involves grappling with a myriad of issues that touch upon fundamental principles, such as transparency, accountability, fairness, and privacy. One of the key concerns is the opacity of certain AI algorithms, which can make it challenging to understand how decisions are reached. The lack of transparency raises questions about accountability and the potential for bias within these systems, leading to unjust outcomes. Striking a balance between protecting proprietary information and ensuring transparency is a delicate task that requires careful consideration. The issue of bias in AI systems is particularly thorny, as algorithms can inadvertently perpetuate and amplify existing societal prejudices. If the data used to train AI models is biased, the system may replicate and even exacerbate those biases in its outputs. Addressing bias in AI requires not only technical solutions, but also a broader societal commitment to fostering diversity and inclusivity in data collection and model development. Ethicists and technologists must collaborate to create algorithms that are not only accurate but also fair and unbiased. Privacy is another critical dimension in the ethical landscape of AI. As these technologies collect vast amounts of personal data, concerns about the misuse of information and the erosion of individual privacy rights come to the forefront. Striking a balance between the benefits of AI-driven insights and the protection of privacy is crucial. Implementing robust data protection measures, ensuring informed consent, and promoting user empowerment are essential components of ethical AI development. The moral maze of AI ethics extends beyond technical considerations and delves into the broader societal impacts of these technologies. Questions about the future of work, economic inequality, and the potential for mass surveillance require a comprehensive ethical framework. Ethicists, policymakers, and industry leaders must collaborate to create policies that prioritize the well-being of individuals and society at large. International collaboration is essential in addressing AI ethics on a global scale. As AI technologies transcend national boundaries, a shared set of ethical principles can help guide the development and deployment of these systems. Establishing a common understanding of ethical norms and standards can facilitate cooperation in addressing global challenges and ensure that AI benefits humanity as a whole. One of the primary ethical concerns in AI revolves around the issue of bias. AI algorithms are trained on vast datasets that may inadvertently perpetuate existing biases present in the data. This can lead to discriminatory outcomes, reinforcing and exacerbating societal inequalities. For instance, biased algorithms in hiring processes can perpetuate gender or racial disparities. Addressing bias in AI requires a multifaceted approach, including diverse and representative dataset curation, transparency in algorithmic decision-making, and ongoing monitoring and auditing. Transparency emerges as a critical pillar in AI ethics. Understanding how AI systems make decisions is essential for accountability and trust. The so-called black box problem, where AI algorithms generate outcomes without clear explanations, raises concerns about accountability and fairness. Efforts to enhance transparency involve developing interpretable AI models and establishing mechanisms for explaining complex decision-making processes. Striking a balance between transparency and protecting proprietary information poses a challenge, but it is a crucial step in building trust between AI systems and society. The deployment of AI in sensitive domains like healthcare adds an additional layer of ethical complexity. The potential benefits, such as improved diagnostics and personalized treatment plans, must be weighed against concerns about patient privacy, consent, and the potential for algorithmic errors. Ethical guidelines and regulations specific to different industries, developed collaboratively by experts, policymakers, and stakeholders, can help navigate these complexities and ensure that AI applications in healthcare adhere to high ethical standards. Ongoing dialogue and collaboration among various stakeholders, including technologists, ethicists, policymakers, and the general public, are imperative for navigating the moral maze of AI ethics. Establishing a global framework for AI ethics that respects cultural differences while upholding universal principles is a challenging yet necessary endeavor. International cooperation can help create standards and guidelines that promote the responsible development and deployment of AI on a global scale. However, AI ethics represents a critical frontier as we navigate the moral maze of technological advancements. Addressing issues such as bias, transparency, privacy, and industry-specific considerations requires a comprehensive and collaborative effort. By prioritizing ethical principles and fostering an inclusive dialogue, we can ensure that AI aligns with human values, serves societal well-being, and contributes positively to the future of humanity. AI ethics and moral considerations have become increasingly crucial as artificial intelligence technologies integrate into various aspects of our daily lives. The rapid advancements in AI present a moral maze that demands thoughtful navigation to ensure that these technologies serve humanity's best interests. As society grapples with the ethical dimensions of AI, it becomes evident that establishing a robust framework for AI ethics is not just a theoretical exercise, but a practical necessity that can significantly benefit people in their daily lives. Moreover, AI ethics addresses the potential biases embedded in algorithms, preventing discriminatory outcomes. By prioritizing fairness and inclusivity, ethical AI frameworks aim to eliminate biases in training data and algorithmic decision-making. This ensures that AI technologies do not perpetuate or exacerbate existing societal inequalities. In daily life, individuals benefit from unbiased AI applications, such as job recruitment processes, financial services, and healthcare, where fairness and equal treatment are essential. The moral maze of AI ethics also guides the responsible use of personal data. Ethical considerations emphasize privacy protections and consent, preventing the misuse of sensitive information. With these safeguards in place, individuals can confidently engage with AI-powered applications, knowing that their privacy is respected. This is particularly evident in healthcare, where AI assists in diagnostics and personalized treatment plans without compromising patient confidentiality. AI ethics further plays a crucial role in mitigating the potential negative impacts of automation on employment. As AI technologies automate certain tasks, ethical considerations guide policymakers and businesses in implementing measures to address the societal implications. This may include reskilling programs, social safety nets, and a careful examination of the ethical dimensions surrounding job displacement. By navigating this moral maze responsibly, AI can contribute to a more equitable distribution of the benefits of automation, ensuring that individuals are not left behind in the evolving job market. Additionally, AI ethics helps shape the design and deployment of autonomous systems, such as self-driving cars. Ethical considerations guide the development of algorithms that prioritize the safety of individuals both inside and outside the vehicle. As a result, AI-driven autonomous vehicles become safer and more reliable, reducing the number of accidents and improving overall road safety for everyone. In conclusion, AI ethics serves as a vital compass in navigating the moral maze of artificial intelligence, ensuring that these technologies enhance, rather than compromise, the well-being of individuals in their daily lives. From transparency and fairness to privacy protection and employment considerations, ethical guidelines contribute to a more responsible and beneficial integration of AI into society. As we continue to embrace the transformative power of AI, a commitment to ethical principles remains essential for creating a future where technology serves humanity ethically and responsibly. Alright, that wraps up our video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.